This is the Hilife steamer for clothes. They have 3 different colors that I've seen. This is the blue version. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. When you get the steamer, it's going to come with 2 brushes. Pretty easy to just snap right on the front. You just snap it on and snap it off. Thing's made out of all plastic. It's got an on-off switch in here, and probably my favorite part on here is that it has a 9-foot long cable on here. You can't beat that. If you want to fill it up, pretty simple. You just turn this to the left, you open it up, and you pour the water in here. Comes with a cup if you want to use that. What I found is it's small enough and portable enough to fit underneath my bathroom faucet and fill it up. Pretty simple. There's a max line on here. And it also comes with a set of instructions. It's pretty simple to use. You basically fill it up to the max line, put the lid back on, plug it in using the 9-foot cable, and there's an on and off switch on here. You just turn it on, wait till the water starts to boil, and it starts to kick out steam. With this 9-ounce tank on here, this thing should be able to kick out steam non-stop for about 15 minutes. It's doing a great job. This thing's been in my closet for like a year. This is a lighter fabric, lighter material. Just pulled this stuff right out of there. Look at that. So this steamer is going to be great for removing wrinkles from a whole variety of clothing types and fabrics, curtains, linens. Great to keep and use around the home. And it's portable enough to where you can keep it at the office. And obviously it's perfect for travel with this nice compact lightweight size. Nothing spitting out of there, nothing. I like it. There it is, the Hilife steamer.